@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Chapter 2 Shapes Around Us. Let's start Chapter 2 Shapes Around Us. Here a picture is given. It is written Garba Festival. You can see a number of children are performing some dance program or a music function. You can see different musical instruments there. Two girls are using wooden stick for dancing. You can see wooden stick in their hand. This is known as garba stick or dandiya stick. You can see sweet on the table. You can see musical instrument. Let's know the names. This is earthen pot known as ghatam. This is flute. In Hindi, it is called bansuri. This is clarinet or sahnai. This is harmonium. This is maracas. Okay. This is maracas. This is kartal. This is khartal. This is tabla. Okay. This is dholak or taboo. This is trumpet or pungi. This is drum. Okay, different musical instruments are there. Kindly note their names. Let us do A. Look at the picture and observe different musical instruments. 1. Circle the musical instruments that are similar in shape to a drum. The musical instrument that are similar to shape of drum is this dholak, this tabla or tabor. Okay. 2. Tick the musical instrument that are similar in the shape to a matka. You have to tick the musical instrument that is similar to the shape of matka. You may circle or tick the ghatam, or you may tick the maracas that is present in the girl's hands. Third, tick the shape similar to the shape of sahnai or clarinet. This is the shape similar to the sahnai. Fourth, how is the shape of harmonium different from the shape of a drum? How is harmonium different from the shape of drum? Harmonium is made of flat faces, but drum is made up of round faces. B. Have you seen or played any of the musical instruments? Share your experiences with your classmates. C. Cross the odd one out. To do this question, let's know some of the shapes. For example, this is box-shaped thing made up of 6 faces. You have seen this kind of things, okay, such as your bathing soap or your pencil box. This shape is known as cuboid. Similar to this is a cube. You have seen dice or Rubik cubes or various things around you are present in this shape. All sides of this shape is equal. This is known as cube. Okay, cube. A dice you use to play for Ludo is also made of cube shaped. Is also of cube shaped. Okay. Similar to this is cylinder. Cylinder is has two round faces and flat faces all around. Okay, this is known as cylinder. Similar to this is the round shape thing such as a ball or sun, earth, moon. Okay, this is known as a sphere. And there is another thing that in the shape of a cone. Okay, your birthday cap or paper fold like paper cone. Okay, paper cone or key or ice cream cone or this carrot. Okay, these are the shape. These resemble the shape of cone. Cone is of this shape. Then you have to remember the shape of cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, and cone. This carrot is of cone shaped. This ice cream is of cone shaped. This paper cone is of cone shaped. Only the thing that is different, you have to cross it out, is this orange that is spherical in shape, or it has a sphere shape. Similar to this sun is has a sphere shape. This moon has a sphere shape. Okay, this earth uh, has a sphere shape, or earth is spherical in shape. The only that is odd one is this house that is in the shape of cuboid. Similar to this is this chalk is cylindrical shape, or this has cylinder shape. This box or wooden box is of cuboid shape. This this soap is of cuboid shape. This piece of cake is of cuboid shape. So the only thing that is odd one is this cylinder. You have to cross it out. That is chalk piece in the form of cylinder. Note to the teacher. Initial discussion about the similarities in the shape of various musical instruments and talk about locally available instrument and the way they are played. Okay, teacher must initiate discussion about the similarities in the shape of various musical instruments and talk about the locally available instrument and the way they are played. For example, drum and tabla are played by beating them, whereas guitar and sitar are played using their strings, and sahnai, flute, etc. are played by blowing air into them. You have to note that there are various musical instruments and they can be played using different methods. For example, drum and tabla can be played by beating on them. Guitar and sitar are played using their string. Sahnai and flutes are played using blowing air into them. Teacher must discuss this. Match the musical instruments and the objects with their solid shapes. You have to match the musical instrument there with their solid shapes. One has been done for you. For example, this cone has been matched to this sahnai or clarinet and this paper cone. Similarly, you can match this cone to this bell and this ice cream cone. Similarly, this is cylinder and you can match this cylinder to the drum as well as pencil. Similarly, this is cuboid and its shape is similar to harmonium has cuboidal shape, or harmonium has a shape of a cuboid, and similarly this wooden box is of the shape of cuboid. Similarly, this is a sphere. This orange has a sphere shape, or orange is spherical in shape, And this ghatam or matka or earthen pot is spherical in shape. Okay. Similarly, this is cube. You can see this okay, this this box, or this can be a tijori or something, or safe, okay, where somebody puts money and keep it safely. This is a safe, and this is cubical in shape, or this has cube shape. This is of cube shaped. Similar to this, similarly, the dice is of cube shaped. Okay, dice has cube shaped. Hina and Atif. I want to decorate this gift box for my friend's birthday. I got ribbons, stars, and pom-pom balls. Let us decorate this. Atif says, I want to gift my friend a box on his birthday. And then Hina says, I have brought ribbon, stars, and pom-pom balls to decorate this. We will place one star on each face of the box. You can see in the picture. Wow, it looks nice. Let me count how many stars we need. It has 6 faces, so we need 6 stars. Okay, let us count the shape of a cuboid as well as a cube. If you see the picture carefully, you can see there is one face below, one face up, and one face on the left and one face on the right. That is 4 faces, and one face in the front and one face in the back. There are 6 faces. Similarly, there are 6 faces in cube too. If you see the picture carefully, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and one in front and other in back. That is fifth and sixth. 6 faces. Then cube and cuboid has 6 faces. It looks really nice. Let me put ribbons on its side. Okay, Ina wants to place ribbons on its side. Yes, then we need 12 ribbons for each side or edge. Some will be short and some will be long. Let's count the number of edges in a cuboid as well as in cube. If you see it carefully, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges on the top surface, 4 edges on the bottom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 in the vertical direction. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12 edges. Similarly, there are 12 edges in cube, all 2. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, there are 12 edges in cube as well as in cuboid. Then how many ribbons required to place a ribbon on the edges or side? There they need 12 ribbons. Some may be long and some may be short. Let the children experience the surface, edge, and corners of solid objects like chalk box, duster, and chalk, etc. This is a note to the teacher. Uh, can we put these balls on the corners? Hina says, can we put these balls on the corner? These colorful balls are looking good on all the 8 corners. Atif says, these are looking good on all the 8 corners. Let's see how many corners a cuboid and cube has. If you see where sides meet is the corner, four corners on the top surface and four corner on the bottom. That means there are 8 corners. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a cube as well as cuboid has 8 corners. Okay, let us do if you also have to decorate the following shapes in the same way with stars, ribbon shapes and pom-pom balls. How many of these shapes will you need? Object cube shaped shape, that is has number of stars for the faces 6 faces, number of ribbons shape for the edges 12 ribbons, number of pom-pom balls for the corners 8 corners. Similarly, this is cone shaped ice cream cone. Okay, if you see a cone carefully, there are only one and two surface. Okay, then two surface for stars. How many edge? There is only one edge, that is this one. Okay, round one, only one edge and one corner here, pointed corner, that is one. Similarly, this is cuboid shape box. So 6 faces, 6 star, 12 ribbon strip, that is 12 edges or sides, and 8 corners, that is 8 pom-pom balls could be placed on 8 corners. Let us think, look at the object and fill the table. Object cube, okay, to be cube, or this could you can call it dice. This is of cube shape. This is in cube shaped. Okay, then number of faces 6, number of edges 12, corners 8. Similarly, this cake is of cuboid shaped. So 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. This cone is of this carrot is of cone shaped. So 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner. Okay, we have seen that 1 and 2 face, 1 edge and 1 corner. Similarly, this is this chalk is of cylindrical shape. Okay, this is a cylindrical shape chalk. So if you see carefully, a chalk has 1, 2 and 3 surface. Number of edges 1 and 2 edges and no corners. Okay, similarly a sphere has only one face, no corner and no edges, or no edges and no corners. Similarly, this crayon color box is of cuboidal shape. So you can say it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cone has 1 and 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 corner, 1 edge, 1 corner and 2 face. Cylinder has this bottle ice cream. This is ice cream, that ice cream cone shaped. This is water bottle cylinder shape. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 face. 1 is, 2 is, no corner. Okay, no corner in cylinder. Let us play touch and tell who am I. Collect different objects with variation in faces, corners and edges. Blindfold the child and ask them to pick an object as per the detail given by other children. For example, a child may be asked to take out an object with one corner. Similarly, continue with other objects. Let us do make the object which have no corners. No corners, a round shaped object or cylinder shaped object has no corners. Okay, water bottle, earth, or ball. Similarly, one corner, cone shaped thing, ice cream cone, ice cream cone, carrot, or bell. Okay, hand bell. Or you may write paper cone. Okay, yeah, or you may write clarion or sahnai. Okay, you may write any three corners you will get in triangle as well and in samosa. Okay, okay, samosa shadow. If you take samosa shadow, you will get three corners. Okay, samosa shadow or triangle or any shape which looks like this. Okay, eight corners, that is in box, television, TV, or any kindly think and write the things with eight corner. That could be it like dice or Rubik cube. Project work. Take a cardboard sheet and try to make an object with four faces. Now try to make an object with one face. Encourage children to discuss and find the object which have one, two, three, or no corner. They may take such objects using clay or dough. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.